Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose with losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, you can subscribe down below.
Yay, good job.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so it's turn around, let me show them your hairstyle. Okay guys, so I did her hair. Well, the hair just a cane roll it, and I did the long part to the bubbles and the beads. So yeah, it is one day to Christmas and we are by grandma's house. Yes. All right, so we'll be doing a review, guys. Also, this sheet that you're seeing right here, this silk sheet, I actually just got this from Amazon Essentials. I mean, I didn't know that even exists, but I got a gift from Amazon Essentials sent to my address, my name and everything, and I love it. It is silky. So I actually just pull it out of the packet. Here is the other sheet, the fitted sheet. So I haven't put it on the bed, I just put the bottom one, but yeah, I love it. Alright, so we'll be doing a review today of let me turn it so they can see now. So it is the LCD.
It's a sun.
So it's an LCD writing tablet, guys.
Yes. Wow.
Alright, so can be found on Amazon. Alright, this can be found on Amazon, and it's the LCD writing board. Alright, and this is what it looks like. Let me show you the other side of it.
It's all of the tablets.
And this is the information. So it says product, 8.5-inch LCD writing board, the product model, the panel, the material, the battery mode, and then it gives you the detail to pay attention to. And yeah, all right, so now I am going to try to get it open. Nally's excited, guys, and tomorrow is
Christmas.
Yeah, you love Christmas?
Yes.
Yeah, we love Christmas over here. Okay, she take it from me. You have to take time, Pumpkin. What? Alright, let me help you. Alright, so the box is empty.
Yeah.
Alright. So this is the board. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's so cute.
That's rainbows.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Wow.
And
So
pencil.
we're gonna see how it works. So it comes with 2 pencil, an extra pencil right there just in case one lost. So we're not gonna trouble that extra one right here. It also comes with a user. Hold on, don't trouble anything, Mama. Don't trouble anything here. Let me take a look, see what's going on here. Alright, so it comes with a user. Don't trouble anything, my baby. So it comes with a user manual. Hold on. Let me open it to show you guys. So it comes with a user manual, and it shows erase. Yeah, so it says stylus, then it has the writing area, then it has the erase button, battery case, lock switch. This is nice. It actually shows you everything basically. Then the maintenance, safe use, attention. Hold on, Pumpkin. And I guess it shows you replace the battery, pull out the battery cover, move the battery. Alright, so it basically shows you how to get a replacement. So look, Nal is writing something already with her hands. Okay, let me help you to get out the pencil. Alright, hold on. Okay, I'm trying to figure out.
Mommy, look here.
There you go. So the pencil is out, And okay, so write something and let me erase it so I can show them. What are you gonna write?
I gotta write ABC.
Okay, right, ABC. But you have to let me see so I can show them. Nali's writing ABC. Wow, look at that. So she write ABC, you guys. Okay. Wow, your ABC is so pretty, Pumpkin. Hold on, let me turn it around. Okay. Ooh, look at her ABC, so cute. Oh my god. So now we're gonna erase it. Let me see which button they say to use to erase it. Hold on. Hold on, Pumpkin. So the erase button is the center one right here.
It's a pink one.
Yeah, press it, let me see. Ah, there you go. Alright, and this one right here is the, let me see.
It's a hole.
Yeah, it's a hole. Yeah, it's a
Mommy,
hole. Okay, so it's the erase button right there, right? So, yeah.
Look here.
Yeah, let me show them this. Alright, so the beauty about this tablet that I so love is, as you can see, it comes with an extra battery and a small screwdriver to get it out and put it back in. And I'm not sure what this one is. It's probably a little I'm not sure if it's part of the battery, but yeah, it's pretty easy to figure out, as you can see. So this is everything that it comes with, basically, right here. Yeah, you just, what kind of face is that?
It's an angry face.
It's an angry face. Okay, so it's an angry face, guys. Alright, so yeah, so she's just gonna write on it and draw all her stuff that she wanna draw as usual. So Pumpkin, do you love the tablet?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you wanna say thank you to Sunany? Oh my gosh. I need to get this. Sunany. To Sunany, do you wanna say thank you, Sunany?
Thank you, Bisani.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Look here.
Let me see. Let me show everyone. Ooh, look at that. What? Oh my goodness.
You.
What? No. What? No. 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 So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this was an epic review the day before Christmas. Thank you, Sunany, for sending us this lovely LCD writing tablet, LCD writing board tablet. I'm sure Nal would have a blast with it. Thank you.